G'day everyone, we're back with Bruce. What are we going to do with Bruce now? Bruce is my growing environment that he's got reflective material around him, heat mats, lighting, grow lights, that sort of thing in there. But one of the issues I have, as I've said before in one of my other videos, is dry mushrooms. The climate here, warm, dry, very little rain, and it means in summer we can't grow mushrooms. So I'm going to try something different. So what are we going to do with Bruce? We're going to try and build up the humidity in Bruce for summer. It's quite a cool day out here today, probably about 25, 27 degrees. And we're just measuring the temperature of what it's like in there at the moment. Given, as I said, cool day. It's dry, it's no clouds or anything, so I don't think there's a lot of humidity. And then we'll turn the humidifier on. We'll let it run for an hour or two and see what the environment's like after that. So let's have a look at what it's like in there at the moment. So we've got a much warmer day today, so we're going to check this now and see what's here. There we go. So this looks more realistic. 27 degrees and, 27 relative humidity and 42 degrees in there. Let's turn on. We'll bring you in a bit closer so you can see it. Alright, I've got my remote control here. We'll pop it on. It's showing us 72 humidity. It's got the 3 bars up. You can see the mist sinking down. And currently we're at 86% relative humidity and 18 degrees in there. So let's close it up, leave it for a while, see what happens. Well, here we are back at Bruce after, 40 minutes or so, letting him steam up. If you look carefully, look at all this mist coming out. Let's open it up and see what's happened. Oh. Looks like a smoker, doesn't it? Yeah, lots. And what we have now is condensation on our little sensor here. Still pretty hot, 30 degrees, but 88% humidity. So we'll let that run a little bit more, but looking at the condensation we have, I think that's going to be nice and humid. The temperature, though, is still going to be an issue. What I might have to do is put some shade cloth down around here so it's not in the sunlight. I'm out of space to put him anywhere else. And I like him here in winter anyway. So what do you think? Is this going to succeed? I'm going to get a batch of mushrooms on and find out. We'll take a sweepstake on it. Come on. You reckon thumbs up? Thumbs down. Summer mushrooms. Can we do it? Let me know in the comments. We're back. Let's have a look-see. Still pumping out lots of humidity. I can see there's some misting on the inside here. Oh, and look at that. Quite damp. There we go. 90% humidity, but still fairly warm at 37 degrees. I think this may work if I can just keep it a little bit cooler. So let's turn him off. We'll get our mushrooms ready and we'll give it a shot. Have you built something like this? Did it work? You reckon this one will work? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe. Enjoy life. Catch you in the garden.